In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count the number of occurrences of a value in a column in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a database, creating regular reports, or just need to tally specific entries, knowing how to count occurrences can save you a significant amount of time. Let's get started by first opening up a Google Sheet. If you haven't already opened your sheet, just navigate to your Google Drive, click on New, and select Google Sheets. You'll have a fresh spreadsheet to work with. Once your spreadsheet is all set up, you'll need to select a cell where you'd like to input your formula. Simply click on the cell of your choice. Let's say we choose cell C3 for this demonstration. This is the spot where we'll generate a list of unique values from our data range. In the chosen cell, type in the formula, equals unique, followed by opening parentheses. Then select the range, in this case A3 to A12, and close the parentheses. This formula effectively filters the current column, returning only unique values from your selection without duplicates. After entering your formula, press the Enter key. You'll see Google Sheets quickly generate a list of distinct entries from the range you specified. This is a great step if you're working with large datasets and only want to focus on unique items. Now that we have our unique list in column C, the next step is to use autofill. This handy feature allows you to drag down the results to fill additional cells. Simply hover over the small blue square at the bottom right of the cell and drag it down as needed. Next, we'll switch to cell D3, where we'll type a new formula, equals COUNTIF, opening parenthesis, followed by the range A3, A12, comma, and then quotation marks, an asterisk, ampersand, C3, another ampersand, another quotation mark, and an asterisk to close it. This formula is counting how many times each item listed in column C appears in our original range. Essentially, it checks each row and tallies up occurrences for you automatically. Once you've typed the formula, hit Enter once more. You will see the number of occurrences for each unique item from column C displayed in column D. And just like that, you have a clear count of how often each unique value appears in your original list. Using the combination of unique and COUNTIF functions, creating meaningful insights from your data becomes a breeze. This method is particularly useful for surveys, inventories, and any situation where duplicate data needs to be quantified. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials like this. Happy spreadsheeting!